Maybe somewhere unethical things may happen that he has to rectify it so that he will be going further ahead in his life with a positive direction ethically. And the next one, we will be having a psychological support function. Anything, any demotivation factor, anything the student is having, any psychological problems also, a mentor will take care so that the student will grow in a positive direction. That is, both functions provide explicit, because explicit and implicit. Because by meaning itself, it will be having such features, maybe implicit or by explicit. Lessons related to the professional development is well and general work and the life balance. That is mandatory so that the 360 growth, the overall growth of a student can be done with the help of a mentorship. Here both the relations between a mentee and a mentor. A cordial relationship we are supposed to have it between a mentor and a mentee who is guiding or who is supporting a particular student. Here we talk about a mentor model. What is that mentor model? See, mentor model is supporting, that is by Anderson and Shannon, 1988. They have developed a mentor relationship. There we have a role model. X is a model for Y. His teacher is a model for a particular student. And the next one, here the nurturing takes place. The carefully will be taking a student to the next higher level. That is called X nurtures Y and K given X is for Y. X and Y are the mentor and the mentee there. These are the three important functions a mentor has to do. X is a role model for Y, X nurtures Y, X takes care of Y. And the functions of mentoring, what are the different functions you are going to have it in the mentoring is to teach in terms of a model, in terms of the information, in terms of the confirm and the disconfirm, in terms of prescribe and the question. This is what we are going to teach a mentee so that these are the different functions in terms of the teaching is concerned. In terms of the sponsor, we have a protect the mentor in all directions and to support him and to promote him and encourage. The next function, we have affirm, inspire and challenge. These are the three functionality we are having. In depth we are going to talk in the further slides there. And the counsel, this is important. Counseling is important. That is, we have to listen to them. Just listen to them what they expect. Don't overburden them. Don't involve in his personal matter at any point of time. Counsel him properly. That is the main function is to listen to a mentee and the probe and clarity and advise him in the right direction. A big friend. Always we should be a friend. That is important. Teacher only in the classroom, as a counselor, as a mentor, you should be a friend and accept and relate the aspect of something. That is what a mentor has to do. That is the main functionality we are having in mentoring. And mentoring activity, demonstrate lessons, arrange for practice of skills, and observe and provide the feedback and arrange the support meeting. These are the different functionality we are going to have it in a mentoring. Definition. This is important. You are supposed to know. Don't think that mentoring is something different. You should have a clarity what is mentoring. Mentoring is a learning process where helpful, personal and the reciprocal relationship are built when focusing on achievement. Emotional support is a key element there. We should have that emotional support for a student, both the sides. It is both the sides will be taking care of such thing. That is called a mentoring. Within mentoring relationship, mentee develop and learn through conversation.